Welcome to step 1, making your gingerbread dough. These are all the supplies you'll need. You can either print this out based off the link provided or pause the screen during the tutorial and get the exact amounts. But you can use dark or light brown sugars, and same thing with molasses, dark or light. And it's pretty accurate to say that one batch will make one house and one sleigh, with extra little scraps to make cookies and figurines. And remember, plan enough time to do this so you can put it in the refrigerator and chill it. It has to be overnight. I'll be using the KitchenAid. You can use whatever you have. I actually prefer using the Bosch for doughs. Let us get started. The first step you want to do is cream together 1/4 cup margarine with 1 cup sugar. I should also mention that use your strongest attachment. I'm using the paddle attachment, but it gets pretty rigid towards the end, so you might want to use your strongest or even perhaps the dough hook. Now I've added my 1 cup of dark or light brown sugar packed. Then add the 1/4 cup honey and 4 eggs. Next, mix in 1/2 cup dark or light molasses and 2 teaspoons each of ginger, cinnamon, and cloves. There's also 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now you'll add in 5½ cups flour, only adding 1 cup at a time between mixing. You can see just how hard and firm that dough gets, and it's done now. Now that it's done, I'm emptying the gingerbread dough onto the counter onto saran wrap that I've placed, and I'm going to seal it all up and wrap it and put it in the fridge where I will bake it the next day after it's rested overnight. Now remember, one batch does about roughly 1 house and 1 sleigh, so if you plan on doing more than that, make another batch and get it all prepared so they're all resting in the fridge overnight, and you're ready for step 2. Let's learn how to bake your pieces.